Morning Radar Network.
Yeah, and already seeing flash flood warnings in place right now for parts of South Florida as it's just about to make landfall right now. And again, it's not Alex just yet, but could be here later today. And we'll talk more about that coming up. Here locally, though, of course, we're not seeing the tropical weather. We got a beautiful start here to the weekend. Clear skies as we look off to the east from downtown Decatur. Again, that view brought to you by Thompson Roofing and Construction. Sky Camera Network, temperatures in the low 60s right now. A few high clouds streaming in from out of the west right now on the satellite, but all dry. On the way 31 storm tracker early warning radar network. And if we zoom out, you'll notice a little bit more of those high clouds as we look off to the west. Those will be arriving here later this morning. But all in all, a great start to the weekend here for North Alabama. Enough sunshine and a little bit warmer today. So we're going to make it up to the upper 80s. A few spots could come close to 90. But if we're going to touch 90, we'll likely have to wait until at least tomorrow, if not into Monday or Tuesday. We'll call it filtered sunshine. Beautiful time to be outside at the pool. Of course, that pool water is slowly starting to come up with all the heat that we've seen the last few weeks. And how about tomorrow? I do have a 10% chance for a pop-up shower, even an isolated thunderstorm, but those chances will be very low as we wrap up the weekend. Just a 10% chance for your Sunday. Highs again back up to the mid to upper 80s for your Sunday afternoon. And the humidity, it's not too bad here for this time of the year. Whenever you see browns or tans on the map, that's indicating drier than normal air for this time of the year. So we've got the browns in place here for 4 o'clock this afternoon, so some tolerable humidity. Heading into your Sunday afternoon, you'll notice around 4 o'clock tomorrow, around the peak heating of the day, we're still seeing a lot of browns and tans on the map. Then it starts to change as we head into Monday. You'll notice that we're starting to see some of the deeper greens moving in and building over top of North Alabama through the late morning hours and into your Monday afternoon, and enough humidity returning that we're going to start to see some increasing chances for rain. So let's take a look at future radar and satellite. This is 8 o'clock here this morning. Again, these are mostly high, thin clouds, and I think it's overdoing it a little bit, but again, some passing clouds. So we'll call it filtered sunshine here for your Saturday. Then heading into your Sunday, you'll notice once we hit about 2, 3 o'clock, we're starting to see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms developing. It's going to be tough for these to get going, but there is a chance for a few pop-up showers and storms tomorrow. So not completely dry all the way through this weekend. Then as we head into Monday, we'll also start to see the chances picking up some. You'll notice the showers and storms developing heading through the mid to late afternoon hours. And we're just going to continue that active pattern all the way through this upcoming work week. You'll notice on the map, this is the rainfall forecast through the next 7 days. These brighter blues indicating about 1 inch of rainfall. But if you head further off to the north, you start to see some of the purples. That's closer to about 2 inches of rainfall. And that's because we're going to have a front that's going to basically stall out just off to our north. And that's where we're going to see a lot of the showers and storms being generated starting on Tuesday and into Wednesday, but even a lot of those drifting south into North Alabama all the way through your Thursday and into your Friday. Again, here's a look at potential tropical cyclone 1. I know it's a kind of a mouthful, but they do that just so they can get some of the products out before it's upgraded to a tropical storm. And again, it's going to be making landfall here in about the next hour or two. Then it moves across Florida here through this late morning and into the afternoon. And then right around 8 o'clock this evening, they have it at a tropical storm. So you can see the icon right there. And then still a tropical storm as it moves off to the east and northeast out into the Atlantic. There you go. That's a look at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And you can actually start to see an eye trying to develop right there around 12 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But again, that's about as close as it'll get to the Carolinas before racing out into the Atlantic. So no major issues even for the Carolinas through the next few days. 7-day forecast, we're expecting highs to come close to 90 tomorrow. Low 90s for your Monday. That should be the peak. Still close to 90 on Tuesday. And you'll notice about a 30 to 40% chance for showers and storms through the middle of the week. It's something we'll have to keep an eye on. Of course, the trash pan is back home at Toyota Field here for this upcoming week.
All right, sounds good.